This business requires you to wake up every day and want and execute, because you could want everything in the world, but if you don't execute, you're not going to get there. eBay dropshipping is a 7 days a week, 24-hour business, and you sell your most items when everyone else is either at home on weekends or on vacation. So this business requires discipline and consistency. What's up guys, Mark Augustine here, and in this video we're going to talk about why discipline is more important in eBay dropshipping than any strategy you could possibly have. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. My name is Mark Augustine. I've been dropshipping on eBay since 2011. I've been making money online since 2005. My goal with this channel is to help you, whoever you are looking at this channel, to make money online. So you want to make money online, you hear about eBay dropshipping. So you can research eBay dropshipping. You could find strategies on my channel, which are sniping and product substituting. There's bulk listing. You could find strategies on Zeke Analytics channel. You could find strategies on AutoDS's channel. And you could really want to make money online. But want does nothing to actually making the money. The daily life of an eBay dropshipper, especially in the beginning, is waking up in the morning, looking at your account, looking at the impressions, listing items, doing customer service, and the day after, check your account, check your traffic, list, do your customer service, fulfill orders, continue. And eBay dropshipping is a 7 days a week, 24-hour business. And you sell your most items when everyone else is either at home on weekends or on vacation. So this business requires discipline and consistency. This business requires you to wake up every day and want and execute, because you could want everything in the world, but if you don't execute, you're not going to get there. So the purpose of this video is to just give you guys a kind of like direction. If you sit every day and you figure out, okay, Mark, I'm not making any money. What's wrong? Look at your day before. Look at your day and see if you executed. Once you executed the day before, that's fine. Then today comes and you execute. I hope that you guys watching this will really take what I'm saying into account and find, if you don't have the discipline to execute every day, find that discipline, because that's what you need to be successful at eBay dropshipping. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you guys want any free consultation, there's a link in my description to my calendar. Give you a free 30 minutes. The links are limited. The spots are limited, so check that out. There's also free resources in the description. If you want any specific videos, let me know in the comment section.